You got to take it up in the line.
Brand new pole, just copped it. Got options, could catch that worm like Robin. I'm watching, it hitting on top, I'm popping. Hit a pass around,
hold the pole, you go down there and get it.
Home the bacon, real hoes in.
Hold the pole, you go get it.
Dog walking, no leash law. Fish blow up on my bait.
Yo, let me get my pole.
Trigger these stripes, been frank with a kite.
Grab by the snap.
Tight, then I'm yanking on sight. I'm ready for the fight like Iron Mike. Catch a 5-pound bass on the ultralight.
Grab by the snap.
This is what I like.
Yep.
Like Bruno Mars. Fish rap king. Now catch these angler bars.
Don't catch him down. Grab by the
with a
snap.
jig and a crank. Looking for a tank. You can call me Hank. Cherry, high berry. These hooks in the mouth with a classic style. High do it, no doubt. Time out. Still talking about who best with them.
Hold on.
I make hits for the ones that catch lures.
All right, catch him. Hold on. Grab by the tail. Grab by the tail.
For goodness sake, you didn't catch a line and you must debate. I ain't got time to sit and debate on who's the best when I'm one of the greats. Down by the lake, make it shake, just like a seizure. Could be a keeper. Well, I don't care about that either. If it's a bass, I'ma catch and release. The floor come.
Pick him up, let me see.
No.
See how big he is.
No.